Welcome to all of my new viewers and welcome back if you have visited my channel before. My name is Ms. T. I am the owner and creative designer behind 3TW's Design Boutique. Today I am making a custom princess tumbler for one of my littles. So we are starting with, I believe, a 15 ounces hog water bottle from the stainless steel depot that I have already prepped, based painted with white acrylic paint, and added a layer of fine white holographic glitter. I bought this glitter off of Amazon. It is one of my favorite glitters and my most used glitter. Now I am applying Mod Podge to lay down a second layer of white glitter for better coverage. You want to make sure you are evenly spreading out your Mod Podge or whatever type of adhesive that you choose to use to apply your glitter. Any streaks may be seen under your glitter. Oops, so I didn't add anywhere near enough Mod Podge to the little medicine cup. So I will add a whole lot more. Once I have enough Mod Podge to cover the cup, I will spread a heaping amount all of the cup to make sure it does not dry before I am able to apply my full coverage of glitter to the cup. I will make sure I am evenly applying all over the entire cup, even the bottom. I also love using Crystalax glitter glue for applying glitter, but for this project I chose Mod Podge because it dries quicker. After evenly spreading out my Mod Podge all over the tumbler, I will then first apply my glitter to the top and bottom edges of the tumbler first and then to the middle. I apply my glitter in this format because the Mod Podge tends to dry quicker at the edges than towards the middle. Oh, and don't forget the butt of the tumbler as well. It is easier to tap the cup in the pile of glitter to get the bottom. After getting a great coverage, next tap of the excess glitter by taping the cup handle with a pair of scissors or something else you may have laying around your art station like a paintbrush handle. After tapping of the extra glitter, I will leave the cup to dry for about 30 to 60 minutes. After allowing the glitter to dry, I sealed the glitter with a layer of glitter glue and left that to dry for 2 hours. Then applied all of the vinyl details that my little picked out. I also applied chrome pink washi tape to help blend the two types of vinyl. Next, I applied a layer or two of resin. Sanded the top rim and any other rough pieces, applied the princess decals and finished the cup off with the last layers of resin. After completing the cup and letting it cure, I washed it and it was ready for my little princess.